Hello there. We're going to be talking about the Pivot account that are lost. So I've got two of them which are lost. I think the last time I made the video was still phase one, talking about how to stick to the rules. Unfortunately, I messed up again. So we want to know, why did I mess up? And what can I do now to fix this up? Okay. Now, the thing was, I was looking to be risking this much percent, or maybe 5%. Yeah, about 5%. That's how much I would risk. I wanted 5%. My issue was I got fomo. Okay, so I got fomo. And the reason why I got fomo, we're going to deal with this in a bit. I'm going to deal this one in a bit. And fomo also due to be non-patient. Impatient, that's the word. Impatient. Yeah, being impatient. And then I started to watch fomo and then the risk huge lot. Okay. So the risk management that we come up with, that I come up with, as I've been trying to follow, will not work without discipline. Okay? So there was no discipline in the trade. So to stick to the trades, to stick to the setup, to stick to the lot size, you need discipline. Okay, so you want to stick to this risk. Okay, you lost it. Okay, what went wrong? And then what happened again? So I didn't walk away. So of course I overtraded it. Okay, so pretty much basic beginner stuff. So all this is due to lack of not following the system, and not being disciplined and not following the system. So if I follow the system, then the loss would have been minimized. Of course, I would not have blown the accounts. The account would still be recoverable. Instead, I messed up. Now I'm going to show you where I messed up and why it caused me to go downhill from there. Okay. Now, so this is GJ. As you can clearly see, we had a reversal happen. So we were downtrend. So we had a liquidity sweep on the side here on Tuesday, and then we started going up. Now we had pullback here at this zone, you can see, and the bias was bullish to check out this zone. And so this is the one that I missed out. This dropped down here, I missed out, and this was pretty much early in the morning, 3 o'clock pullback. And then this happened. So we broke through the zone. We came to this point here, which is we have some price there, and then we started selling off heavily. But my idea, we were still bullish. Why? We're bullish till we reach this point here. Why this point? Is because at this point we have this high, and we've got some major highs there, the triple points there. So this is the major point of liquidity that we're going to have. That's what we're going to be targeting. Now, I missed out on this trade. This would have been a much beautiful trade, but maybe this would have saved my psychology for much better. So this would have been a nice beautiful trade. I missed this one. Price came to my area. I was like, okay, so this is an area now. So I'm looking to short. Now, what happened if price tap into this? We'll go on the over time frame. The price can actually see what happened. Price here, the tap, and it reverse. Now, what I should have done, I should have waited for this low. This is the low that I need to break. This is the low I need to break. So this needs to break. So I want to see something like this. This break, and then we have into premium, and then we continue going downwards. This is what needs to happen. Unfortunately, this didn't happen. So I saw this one. I was like, okay, so this is a good move. So I entered there, because we was getting nice rejections there. And then I saw that price was actually getting bullish, and we were consolidating around the fair value gap. And also notice that we were not closing here. The above came down here, then we were not closing, and then this candle is the one that took me away. Okay, oh, so this one took me away. Now, and I was like, okay, so this is gone. This is gone now. So what I did was I was looking at the same pair, not same pair, so the same similar pair. So I'm looking at UJ. I think UJ was there as well. Okay, again, this is the one I should have waited. Now UJ, I think UJ entered somewhere here. I think UJ entered somewhere here. Stop was again somewhere here, and the stop was somewhere here then, and I got stopped up. Okay, then for UJ, which is this one, and again I got stopped out. There we go. The UJ same thing here. But this time I shorted. I shorted. I think I shorted here. So this is where I shorted. Where I shorted here. Yeah, my stop was I think maybe here or something. And then you can actually see what happened. The price took me out. Now, what ended up happening was after the first trade, so after this one gone, so after I lost this one, after I lost this one, I decided to size up. I decided to size up. I sized up for this one for Egypt, lost this one again. So since I lost on the size up, therefore I was quite down. So I need to size up again to make the profit. So I size up here again, and I took it just took me out in this case. It just took me out pretty much. I think I was going in the 10. I think I was using 10 lot size there, which is crazy. So this pullback was like probably $500. It's like probably like $500. Okay, plus another 500 over there. So that's like 10,000. And then I think something like 5%, 4% gone, dead, gone, gone. Okay. And then what happened? I what? Yeah, what else happened? Then yes, something else happened. Yeah, I bought. Yeah, I lost. Yeah, I lost this one. Yeah. And then I bought another account, which I also lost. I was up on the account. Uh, I just needed half the amount to pass. I was up like 2.5%. I just need 5% to pass the account. Like sorry, not 5%. I need like 10%. Yeah, I was up 5% on the account. I needed 5% more to pass the account. And then I just messed up. I think it was this week. I think I messed up though. Tuesday, Thursday, today. I think it was this one. This is the one I'm talking about. You know, because I traded. This is the other one I traded. I don't remember where I messed up. I messed up. I messed up as well. Okay, I messed up as well. Okay, so again, so time, isn't it? Yeah. So I think what I need to do now, I need to come up with a checklist. Something I see in front of me, and I was like, okay, I'm about to enter a trade. Uh, have I done this? Have I done this? Have I done that? Okay, so I need to come up with a checklist. I think probably physical checklist. So a physical checklist that I got. And I think this way I can see this. Okay, so before I enter trade, okay, am I risking 0.3%, 0.5? Okay. Am I using the decent? Am I, yeah. So, I mean, the lot size and the percentage will be linked together. Okay, now, am I over trading in this second as well? So, I need to get this done. Otherwise, I'm going to make money. Yes. And I'm also going to lose all the stuff. And so far, I mean, the thing with trading is like sometimes you know the direction, it's just the timing when to get it. Now, for example, let me just show this to myself and to you. Okay, here for example, the UJ. Look at the UJ. So yes, it messed up at 4. But if I waited, so this is a chart that happened. So if I waited, this market struck a shift from here. Okay, good, this one. Then we have our point of interest of the last buying sell here. Got it. Now we got rejected off this candle, and then I entered there, stop like we other, only, and then I can easily target where our profitability is going to be. Now, this one here, you can actually see, I just put this on there to see what happened. And this is 6. Now, my TP tells me to go to 1:4. So 1:4 will be somewhere here. Okay, this is my next point of liquidity because this equal is there. Okay, now yes, we can go for higher. So what I can have done, I could have, let's say, taken out 80% of my trade there, and then the rest let it run. So this way, and breaks now bring to stop. Once it's hit, just bring it. When it's hit by 80%, bring it to break even, and you can actually that price one out. So this would have been a good trade. Okay, most of the profit would have been made there, 4%. The next one would be UJ, which also behave how it's need to behave. So you can see we got a chop here, so the price went up. Again, I'm waiting. You can see I waited, and during the New York session price to give me market structure shift here. We went back into premium. We got the last buy to sell there. This block, we got the rejection, you enter there, stop at the highs, and we're looking for the next point of liquidity, which is around point here. So this point here of the liquidity all goes together. So we have easy to go 1 to 6, this is 1 to 5 there, which is fine. 1 to 9 is fine. Yeah, this could have been 9 off. Okay, and then you can actually see that we have more opportunities as well. So we got the chop again. So this is not time to trade. We'll be sleeping there. And this is in the morning, New York session where we had a nice. You can see this got taken out. Okay, now we've got a break structure. Came back into here, got displacement there, and could have entered. It's going to knock down. Now this one has been lost there as well. Okay, just testing some stuff for me to understand better. Yeah. So yeah, so next step, let's come into a checklist and be try to do better. That's what I would say, try to do better. Okay. So this video is for myself and for others who are also in the same situation where everything starts well and then they lose one, they go crazy, and then they go crazy again and lose more, and then everything's lost. Okay. So what I have to say is keep going and take a break when you have to. Take a break when you need to, or you have to, and come up with a system, try to stick with the system properly. So this is discipline. That's the main thing, discipline. Okay. So this is something else that we're doing. You need to control yourself properly. Like this, it's going to test your emotion more than anything else.